Hi friends, Ashlie Alvey here for FacePaintcom. Today I'm going to show you how to paint this super cute, super sweet, and not very scary Halloween cheek art. To begin, I used some Midnight Lumieres and just dust on a little color in the background. I used the golds and the yellows. Then I used a 5/8 angled brush and I loaded up with some yellow and orange on a split cake and to do the bottoms of the candy corn here. Then I switched to my filbert brush. It's just a small filbert brush, and I did the white parts of the candy corn there, followed by an outline with black. And I decided to put in a little bit of spider webbing just to make it a little spooky, but really just super cute. And then I finished off with some white highlights. So this is super quick and super easy. With a little bit of practice and the right tools, you guys can paint it too.